In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram post and story problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do on this page, go to apps, and now here on this page, go to apps here again and search for Instagram, then click on it. And now all what you have to do is go to the storage, click on clear data to clear the data, and the app storage, all the data will be cleared. Go back and then go to data usage, scroll down, and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data like this, and go back again. This time go to the notifications management and make sure to allow from here. Go back. Now restart Instagram and the problem must be solved. See you later. Thank you so much.